Lovely little pie here, very easy to make, and the layer of thick custard or crème patisserie there makes it a bit special.
Cherries are in season now, and I could have used fresh cherries here, and in that case I would have removed these stones with this little hairpin, a bit fiddly.
So I use the frozen cherries here, which come already without any stones. I need my butter soft, so I cut it to small pieces so it softens quickly. Then I measure my flour and sugar. Some vanilla sugar and a baking powder. And give everything a quick mix. The cherries, of course, very cold. I need to bring them to the room temperature.
It's sour. Not very sour, but it is
Quite sharp. I'm adding my soft butter now, and I just rub it together with my dry ingredients to create crumbs. Then I make a little well and add 1 egg, and a little bit later I would add 2 large tablespoons of milk. The base of our tart is now ready, so I quickly make some very thick custard or crème pâtissier. So I'm combining here sugar, vanilla sugar, an egg, some flour. Ideally it should be cornstarch actually. And then I would gradually mix in some milk. Stir all the time, do not stop. As I started with cold milk, setting of my hob is quite high to start with. Once the mix will reach quite high temperature, just check it with your finger. At this point I would reduce to medium, keep stirring, and once we're close to the boiling point, the custard starts thickening very quickly. Reduce to very low. And just cook it for a couple more minutes to desired thickness, and bear in mind it will thicken further as it cools down. Lightly butter the dish, divide the crumbs to 2 parts. About 2/3 would be the base of the tart. I would press them down a little bit with a spoon. The custard goes in. We waited, of course, for it to cool down to room temperature. Spread cherries on top and then the remaining crumbs. I squeeze quite a lot of juice out of cherries. The other option would be to leave most of the juice. Just add a couple of spoons of cornstarch.